everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today is our third episode of my hashtag TAT series, where I just talk about something that is controversial and give you guys my opinion. And for today's topic, we are going to be talking about Jehovah's Witnesses, and I'm going to be honest with you guys, I'm going to laugh really hard if some of them come door knocking and hear me film this video, because all my windows are open. So, be sure to keep watching this video if you guys would like to hear my opinion and to learn more about the religion itself. But before I get into that, I do want to give my disclaimer and let you guys know about next week's topic. So next week we are just going to be talking about community college versus a state school versus a university. So tune in next Tuesday for that. And for my usual disclaimer, I am not trying to offend anyone in any way, shape, or form, and these are just my own personal opinions. And no, I am not a Jehovah's Witness. However, this topic was suggested and it's an interesting topic to me. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Right off the bat, I do have a bunch of links in the description box for you guys to check out. One is on lingo related to being a Jehovah's Witness, and another one is a testimony from a guy here on YouTube named David Shirtleft, and his video is called Clearing My Conscience. It is a really good video. I highly recommend you guys watch it. He just talks all about what it has been like for him being a Jehovah's Witness, how he left the religion and isn't ever going back to it, his thoughts on it, how he got sucked into it and stuff like that. And if you guys go over and watch it, be sure to comment and tell him that I sent you, and maybe he'll see this video. On to the actual topic. So for those of you who don't know, being a Jehovah's Witness is a religion sect, and I don't know why, but just to me, they just have really odd beliefs. For example, they don't celebrate birthdays, Christmas, Hanukkah, Halloween, or anything like that. They don't celebrate anything except for anniversaries. Like, yes, I understand in religions like Judaism, they don't celebrate Christmas, but instead they celebrate Hanukkah. But I can't imagine growing up not being able to celebrate your own birthday. Like, to me, that is just crazy. Having to live through life and only celebrate an anniversary is just mind-blowing to me, and I don't know why, but it is. Like, can you imagine being a kid and being invited to a birthday party by one of your friends and not being able to go simply because of your own religion? I don't know. It's just mind-boggling to me. Another thing is that kids can't participate in after-school activities. They can't do sports, and they also can't do things like being a Girl Scout or a Boy Scout. I didn't necessarily like being a Girl Scout back in school, but I can't imagine not being able to do it. And I also can't imagine not being able to do after-school activities like sports. Like, I'm not trying to say that Jehovah's Witnesses don't have friends, because obviously they do, but I'm just thinking, how can you have good relationships with other kids your age if you aren't allowed to participate in things? This one is gonna blow your minds, but yoga is forbidden. Now, I haven't done a lot of research into why, but of all things, yoga is forbidden. Not sure how this one fits in either, but according to what they use as a Bible, only 144,000 people are going to heaven. With the length of time this religion has been around, I'm pretty sure everyone that's going to heaven has already gone to heaven, which means everyone else is just going to hell. So why even stick to the religion if you know you're just going to hell anyways? I mean, that's just my personal thoughts. And the last thing that boggles my mind is that if you are a Jehovah's Witness, you can't get a blood transfusion. And they literally carry around cards in their wallets that say they cannot receive a blood transfusion. If it is a life and death situation, they still cannot get a blood transfusion. I don't understand. I can't imagine, like, if I was a parent and my kid needed a blood transfusion and I had to say to the doctors, sorry, we're Jehovah's Witnesses and we'd rather have him die than get a blood transfusion. What? I don't get it. I also really just think it's a religion that is very desperate. I mean, they go door knocking. They have a thing called door knocking. I'm sure all of you know what it is. It's when a Jehovah's Witness dressed up in a suit comes knocking on your door and tries to spread the word of their religion and tries to get you to convert to being a Jehovah's Witness. I just think it's really obnoxious, and it just makes them seem desperate. Now, I know this video is probably short and it's basically just me bashing the religion of being a Jehovah's Witness, but it's just one of those things in life that really grinds my gears and gets me heated. I just think it is such a stupid religion. I'm not calling the people who practice it stupid, but I mean, in a way, they are, because they have these beliefs, and I just think these beliefs are out of this world. I know everyone is entitled to believing what they want, but just if you go into it and research it more, they're just crazy. And I'm not trying to offend anyone, but I mean, that's how it is. So, that's today's video. Be sure to tune in next Tuesday, where I will be talking about going to a community college versus a state school versus going to a university. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload a bunch of new videos each week and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!